Hi everyone, here is a very short review of my home cinema set that I just bought for just 40 bucks. It's the Philips home theater system 3164. Not to mention with the Nintendo 64. It's a quite decent home cinema set. This is how you power it on. Looky. Oh. That's the way you open it. Hello? Open. Yeah. And as a home cinema set, it has 4 speakers and a subwoofer. So. Oh. Wrong. That's speaker number 1. Speaker number 2 behind my lovely little sheep. There comes a little chair. Also a bit of a room tour here. Also my CD collection. Yes, CDs. Yeah. Well, that's another speaker. Hey, my record collection. More of that later in a bigger video of our room tour. Yeah, another speaker. Yes. And behind all those grocery bags, another speaker. And I just noticed that my battery is going to say goodbye. So let's do this. Yep. I will make a longer video in some other time. So, and that's how you turn it off again. So, well, this is for the very short review of my Philips home cinema set. And goodbye. Oh, and this is a 5 CD changer, if you don't know. Bye now.